subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Honor has launched its new affordable X series phone in UK, Malaysia and UAE called Honor X8a with quite premium looking design. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone.
The Honor X8a features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 93.6% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G88 chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Honor X8a supports a triple camera setup and a squarish module at the top left corner that includes 100MP main camera with f1.9 aperture, along with the 5MP ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 16MP selfie shooter at the top center with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 22.5W fast charging, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on Magic UI 6.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.9 by 74.5 by 7.48mm, and it weighs around 179 grams.
So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone.
The Honor X8a has been priced in the UK at €220 for the base variant, while in Malaysia it is only available in 8GB plus 128GB storage option at a price of 999 Malaysian ringgits. And the pricing details in the UAE are yet to announce by the company. The smartphone will be available in Midnight Black, Titanium Silver, and Cyan Lake color options.
So what do you guys think of this Honor X8a smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.